चालू तो होगी।
Hello, good evening everyone. For class 7th, we are starting with ASL English listening activity. ASL English under listening activity, we are going to do unit number 1, Lost. I will be reading out the conversation to you. You have to listen to that conversation very carefully and answer the MCQs which are given below. I will be doing the recording of the conversation and you can listen to the conversation twice and you can mark your answers. So, today we are starting with Unit 1, Lost. The book which you are having, ASL Dialogue. ASL Dialogue of Black Swan. Now I will be reading the conversation for you. Listen to it very carefully. Listening activity. Deepak is a tourist in Delhi. He wants to find out how to get to the Red Fort. Listen to a conversation between him and a policeman. As you listen, tick the correct answer to complete the sentence in your book. In the ASL dialogue book, the exercise is given in Unit 1, the MCQ type. You have to mark the correct answer in that. Now the conversation starts. Deepak, excuse me, sir. Could you help me, please? Policeman, yes, certainly. What's the problem? Deepak, I came here to India Gate to do some sightseeing. I would like to know how to go to the Red Fort from here. The internet on my phone is not working. All of a sudden, and I am a bit confused. Can you tell me how to get there, please? Now, policeman, what he answers? Certainly. Let me think. Red Fort is about 6.5 kilometers from here. It should take you about 20 minutes to reach it. In this kind of traffic, it is at Chandni Chowk. Deepak, again he asked the question to policeman. Could you give me specific direction, please? Policeman answers now. He stays mum for a moment, quiet for a moment. Well, first head north towards Ashoka Road. Did you see that road there? Then exit the round about onto Kasturba Gandhi Marg and keep going straight. You will pass Diwan Chand Medical Service on the left. So drive slowly in order to see it. Don't turn there, but go through one more roundabout. Am I clear so far? The policeman asks Deepak. Now Deepak, what he says? Yes. Do I keep going straight? He asks the policeman. Now what the policeman replies? Policeman, yes, there are many exits, but be careful not to take any of them. You will lose your way. Next, turn right onto Tolstoy Road and immediately left onto Barakhamba Road as far as Distance Telecom Limited. On the right, there make a U-turn and take the first left so as to reach Asif Ali Road. After that, Deepak, again he asked the question to policeman, could you repeat that please? I need to note this down. I need to be sure. Policeman, okay. Take a U-turn and then the first left to reach Asif Ali Road. Have you got that? Then turn left into Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg and continue on to Netaji Subhash Marg. Is that clear? You will find a State Bank of India ATM on the left. Make another U-turn here and turn left again at Chandni Chowk. In order to reach the Red Fort, you will see it on the left. Deepak, again he asked the question to policeman. Right. What he answers? Right. I have got that. What about parking there? He asked to the policeman. What the policeman replies now? There is a parking area next to the fort. If that is full, try parking lot on the opposite side. Don't park anywhere else, or you will have to pay a fine. Deepak, what he answers now to the policeman? Yes, I understand. Thank you so much for all your help. Now, below that, I have read the conversation for you. You can read the questions which are given below in your dialogue book. And you can listen to the conversation twice and tick the correct answers. Now see, I am reading the MCQs for you, MCQ questions for you. You can note down those questions and you can mark the correct answers. If you are having a book, you can mark in the book itself. Now see, listening exercise we are doing. Listening. Deepak is a tourist in Delhi. He wants to find out how to get to the Red Fort. You have listened to the conversation between Deepak and policeman. As you have listened to the conversation, put the tick mark in the correct answer. As you listen, mark the answers. First MCQ question I am reading out for you. Deepak is now at the dash. Options I am reading. A. Red Fort. B. India Gate. C. Gateway of India. Second MCQ I am reading. The Red Fort is dash away. I am reading out the option for you. Option number A, 6 kilometer. Option number B, 3.5 kilometer. Option number C, 6.5 kilometer. I am reading the third MCQ for you. Question. It should take Deepak about dash to get to the Red Fort. Option number A, 20 minutes. Option number B, 30 minutes. Option number C, 40 minutes. Now fourth MCQ I am reading out for you. You can note it down and you can mark the answer. You can note it down and mark the answer. You can note it down and mark the answer of the third MCQ now. Okay. I am reading out that fourth MCQ for you. I am reading out the fourth MCQ for you. First, Deepak has to head dash towards Ashoka Road and has to dash Dewan Chand Medical Services. Again I am reading fourth MCQ. First, Deepak has to head dash towards Ashoka Road and has to dash Dewan Chand Medical Services. I am reading out the option for you. First option, A option, North Cross. B option, South Pass. C option, Fast Notice. Now fifth MCQ I am reading for you. Next, Deepak has to turn dash onto Tolstoy Road. A option, back. B option, left. C option, right. Again I am reading the fifth MCQ for you. Next, Deepak has to turn dash onto Tolstoy Road. A option, back. B option, left. C option, right. Now the sixth MCQ I am reading for you. The policeman keeps checking to see if Deepak dash. Option number A, has got it. Option number B, is listening to him. Option number C, wants more information. The seventh MCQ I am reading for you. The policeman asked Deepak to dash onto Netaji Subhash Marg from Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. I am reading the seventh MCQ again for you. The policeman asked Deepak to dash onto Netaji Subhash Marg from Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. Option number A, carry. Option number B, continue. Option number C, make a U-turn. Now, eighth MCQ I am reading for you. The policeman dash Deepak about parking fines. Eighth MCQ again I am reading for you. The policeman dash Deepak about parking fines. Option number A, tells. Option number B, advises. Option number C, warns. Now you can see the exercises yourself. You can see the exercises in the listening activity. Okay? See the exercises that you have to fill the MCQs. You have to fill down the correct MCQs. You can tick the correct answer and mark the correct answer correctly. You can listen to the conversation twice. Okay? You have to listen to the conversation twice and you have to mark the correct answer. Listening to the conversation twice only, mark the correct answer. You have to listen to the conversation very carefully and very attentively. Then only try to mark the correct answer. Okay? Listen to the conversation twice and then mark the correct answer. सुनो